This case has been about whether mentally competent, terminally ill Montanans should have the choice to turn to their physician if they face a dying process that they find unbearable and ask that physician for a prescription for medication which the patient could self-administer to bring about a peaceful death. This choice is one that Bob Baxter very much wanted to have. Mr. Baxter's picture is on the front of the podium. Here was a man who had fought long and hard against cancer. He came toward the end of that journey and was confronted by a dying process that was agonizing. And he wanted to be able to have some control over his death and to have a peaceful death at home, surrounded by loved ones. And he wasn't able to make that choice. And he had a death that was not consistent with his values, beliefs, and wishes. So in honor of Bob Baxter and also on behalf of the rest of the physicians, we continue the case forward to the appeal today in the Supreme Court, and we hope that the court will find that this is a choice that the Montana Constitution reserves to the individual. Montana has a very proud tradition through its Supreme Court of protecting the autonomy and the personal decisions of citizens of Montana, particularly with regard to their own bodies and their own medical care, that choice is so personal it must be protected as a matter of privacy and dignity. And so this case is one that fits within decisions that the court has already issued, where the court has respected the rights, for example, of citizens to choose who their sexual partner will be and whether to continue with a pregnancy or not. And those kinds of decisions that are extremely personal and intimate, very much same kind of principles support the court recognizing the right of a dying patient to choose a peaceful death. So we're very hopeful that the court, as it looks at this issue, will conclude that if privacy and dignity protect anything, surely they protect the choice of a dying patient to choose a peaceful death. So that is the case that's now in front of the court. It will be a matter of weeks or months until we hear the decision. Happy to take a question or two before turning it over to the rest of the group that will speak with you today.